Assalamu alaikum. Let's see how to enable developer option in all Android devices, and then how to enable USB debugging mode. Let's see. First of all, go to settings, then scroll down, go to about devices. You can see my developer option is enabled and it looks like this. So go to about devices, scroll down, click on 4 or 5 times on build number. When you guys click on 2 3 or 4 times, it will tell you how many clicks remaining, and then it will be done. Okay, go back and go to developer option. After entering in, you guys click on USB debugging mode. Mine is already enabled, but you guys click on it personally and enabled it. After enabling USB debugging, you guys do anything what you want to do with this option. Thanks for watching. Keep sharing and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.